Hello. Brew, little temperature sensor on the mug. Right, this is about making executables from Python scripts. Now you can just do chmod a plus x and make the actual Python file executable, but all that does is actually run it with Python, so you need Python installed. Well, if you want to actually transfer your Python code to, I don't know, a Windows 10 PC in a porter cabin somewhere, and they don't have Python installed, well, this is what we're going to look at. So let me just open up, it's going to be death by PowerPoint, I'm afraid. Right. Yeah, whatever. Right. Just bear with. There we go. So, what we want to do is we want to convert the .py file to an exe file. So an exe file is, well, it's an executable for Windows. What if you've written the code in Linux and, for instance, if you've got a package which is only made for Linux or Mac OS X and you want to compile that, you can do something called cross-compile, but if you want to try that, then good luck. It's you need to install mingw, and I think it's probably okay for compiling C, but for compiling Python, it looks like a lot more Stack Overflow back history than I really wanted to get involved with. So what I read everywhere was use conda. So problem I had was conda actually didn't install correctly on Windows 10. So conda is short for anaconda, and there's another variation called miniconda. So I've listed the three issues there. First problem obviously was that the code had been written in Python on Linux with the package available for Linux, but the package pdftotext wasn't really available for Windows. There was a version which is, if you go to the conda homepage, then the pdftotext homepage, it will tell you that you can run it with conda. So get conda working on Windows, and then, which I'll show you some problems with, and then finally compile on Windows 10 using auto py to exe. So the three steps: install conda, install pdftotext once you've got conda running on your Windows 10 PC, and then from within conda do pip install, and you can install pdftotext and also py to exe. So yeah, just some little notes that I've written down. Conda is a package manager, so it allows you to, it was originally developed to solve difficult package management challenges faced by Python data scientists. So yeah, the main thing with pdftotext is that it uses something called Poppler. Now Poppler is the whole reason we need to run conda. So once we've, as you can see, requires, put an extra T in there, never mind. Conda update all. When you install conda, it's very important that you do this. If you just run conda install -c conda-forge Poppler, it will fail. And I've read in several places you need to do conda update -all. There's lots of variations of binaries of Poppler for various different versions. I used the most recent, and I don't think it's maintained fully anymore, so just do the most recent that you can find on the Poppler page. Once you've got Anaconda installed, conda, anaconda, yes, I mentioned it just now, install pdftotext, install auto-py-2-exe, Once those two are installed, then you can run auto py2exe, and you just choose one file and console based. And once you've done that, you should end up with an exe file. And what does that look like? Well, let me show you. I'm sure you all know what an exe file looks like. So yeah, you just get depending on what the default icon is for Python, then you will end up with that same icon when your exe has been compiled. And yeah, let me just drag that across. Why have I got a black screen? I don't know. Is it because, yeah, there we go. Let's get rid of that. So if I just show you what you end up with an executable. I don't know if you can see that, it's quite small, but you end up with, for instance, that's 11 megabyte executable. And yeah, that's it really. I just wanted to show that and document 3 of the issues that I'd found whilst doing this project. You would think it would just be a 2-minute job, but no, you have to install conda, install pdftotext from within conda, and yeah, let me just show you conda running